Part 4. Excel financial statements using functions. Let's create a balance sheet. We start with the company, statement title, and period already populated. For this financial statement, we're going to use the GP categories rollup. Put the rollup name in A10 and the rollup item 01 in B10. For rollup item description, we use the segment item description function, and the parameters are the rollup and item, from A10 and B10 respectively. Now we need dollar amounts. Rather than your watching me type a function involving string concatenation, I will enter it by copying from the Data tab. You will note that the first parameter of the function refers to cell H$1. We need to put something in this cell. And that something is the word current for the current period of April 2017. To confirm, we will insert the formula for the period end date in cell H9 and recalculate. Now, extend this row downward to complete the balance sheet. And again, we can drill down on any number. And drill back to Dynamics GP. Why did we extract the period current from the formula and place it in H1? Let's copy this entire column into columns I and J. Now, change the heading at the top of column I to current -1 and recalculate. We have the prior period data in column I. Let's change the verbiage at the top of column J to current -1 year and recalculate. Now we have April of the previous year in this column. You can see now why we extracted the period from the formula and put it in the metadata area. We still need to add decoration in the form of verbiage, color, graphs, and subtotals, but this is just commonplace Excel work. We could continue and design an income statement with budget comparisons, cash flow statement, and any other financial report you can imagine.